For the first time today. Barbie doll. No man, the light looking weak star.
Oh God.
What really have one?
Weak.
People them under the weather.
Yeah man, them under the weather. Under the weather.
So the answer is.
So the answer is a person a hero or not?
Don't know, that's what I said.
Not.
Is that a hero?
And then him create, they know whichever hero is
But
not
whoever
them
make
create.
him love them for it.
Who created?
We don't know.
So why not ask for that question?
Because the round is hero or not an hero.
Oh, not a hero.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the person should be a hero for creating that.
Here they, you know we can't about that.
I can't sorry for showing the body scene.
I don't mean it's not but I agree.
Alright.
Alright, so last one. This not here you know no man.
Which one?
He was a sportsman who became prime minister. Excuse me.
He was a sportsman that became prime minister.
Mhm.
That's the question?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
He was a sportsman that became prime minister. And you never used to do that.
Andra Hero.
Too many? Sportsman that Florida Grassroot.
Uh-huh.
Donald Samson. Sam Sharp. All over.
Yes.
No, guess what? Guess is he says a hero. Is a what? Is a sports that became a
Sportsman that became a hero.
hero.
Yeah.
Norman Manley.
Yeah. He
Oh.
was.
What we used to do? Trucks?
Yeah.
Alright.
Guess
Because if you know all of the heroes, they may not go through that. You just can't say none. Because we don't say none already. But yeah, in a real life.
Alright, so big up to everybody that's joining it. This was just an answer all I questioned him about Marcus Garvey. There are other heroes.
I would rather die on Yando's gallows.
Angie gets it.
Alright, Angie, sound sharp.
Angela?
Yeah. Goody, Angie, yeah.
Okay.
That's Angie.
No, should I get that right? I see him start that.
She correct.
Correct,
Alright.
Angela.
They don't have a logo if you want them. Alright, so third one. Third clue. I stood up for justice for the poor. My courage sparked a revolution. The man who walked for freedom.
Yeah.
Which hero that? Who is that?
Alright, listen, we're not call so much name that we don't know. But we don't know who the hero is. He walked for freedom.
So I know somebody that mentioned it over TikTok.
Yeah, but I don't know if it just because people been mentioning some names before.
Okay. So you don't know if
Yeah,
I
I
did
don't
that.
know that,
Okay,
yeah.
alright.
So tell us the name. Guess the word, the Jamaican edition.
Right. And there are three parts to it. You know? So the first part, guess as many words as possible.
Alright, hold on. People, well, you know people on here, yeah? But no one of the people on YouTube.
No, they're not.
YouTube people, can you hear what Shank is
Come
saying?
again, Chad?
Yeah, we are hearing her.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Guess as many words as possible in each round before time runs out. The time per turn for each player is 30 seconds. You can adjust if you want to, which we would give them 1 minute per person. So
What,
1
2 rounds?
point, yes, 1 point for the correct answer. Round 1, Jamaican food. Describe or act out the word without saying it. and the other player must guess. Then you guys switch. Jesus Christ.
You see? Alright. Alright.
Sorry, Jesus.
So Shelly,
You don't yourself.
I'm going to
Alright.
send you your word. No.
Oh, so when you hear the word now, whichever act out the
Act
word.
it out or describe it so that you can guess what food it is.
Alright.
No, you
The
can't.
word not it.
Alright. So,
Alright, so she's going to act out a word.
no, I'm not just describe because this can't
What
act
should I-
a talk and
oh.
ever act a
So
problem.
is act or describe?
Act or describe.
Alright. Ready?
Okay, Jesus. It's golden in color. It's long.
Whoa. Golden in color. We don't know nothing about the one there.
Right, I'm going to give me start the timer. She's a minute.
Right.
Golden
In color.
Yeah.
Long.
Long.
Crispy.
Golden in color, long, crispy. Hold on. That's it?
Let me know if you start the timer.
You don't give clue?
You don't give
Oh, me have to give first. Alright, so it's golden
In color.
in color,
Long.
crispy, long, and it's something that you love. Go.
Golden in color, crispy, long, something. Golden in color. Crispy, long, something.
And remember, this round is just on Jamaican food.
Banana.
Banana crispy.
Oh!
Banana crispy. Come on.
Crispy. The long and the crispy are thrown out.
Hey.
You want to give me another?
Blow up.
10 seconds.
9,
8,
7.
Festival.
Can you see that?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Yo.
But long just throw it off.
Oh.
Long just shame. Long throw it off.
The festival
I
when you
better
get
get.
an
I
El
better.
Shower.
No. That.
The medium. Crazy.
You have to just use a different.
I described golden in color, are crispy and long. From you know what we
Crispy.
Next time you do this.
And crispy.
No,
Crispy.
it crisp of course.
Well, not all festivals are crisp.
Okay,
If
well
you,
done.
if you
Half of the
said,
chat,
maybe
half of
if
the
you
chat
said
gets it.
soft in texture, or if you had said crispy, sometimes on
soft.
the outside and soft on the inside, then
Yeah.
maybe.
Anyway,
Yeah,
we can't
yeah,
even
yeah.
over describe.